traveled from Scotland all the way to Zululand and down to Antarctica to look for as many places as I can in a single year.
Well, Bonnie here, she's very passionate and also a little bit crazy.
What do you mean by crazy? Crazy for what?
Crazy for birds, yes.
Right.
Okay, now share with us how many birds have you seen?
Okay, so last year I saw about 700 birds. This year I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 birds on open.
Wow! Hashtag you all.
Hey, hashtag I know that.
Okay, Bonnie, since you love birds so much, let us begin with our adventure by meeting some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First stop, South America! Let's go! Now we will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride down the Pata River. Now you might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Look around you, everyone! Now you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet. Right here is the Peruvian Amazon. Everyone, welcome to the Chucho Macaw Playland, where hundreds of birds gather every day to feast on play. Now this playland is one of the largest of its kind in the world.
Well, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Lambo Ferrari, our scarlet macaw. Now, macaws like them in the sharp rocky bills, which allow them to eat unripe fruits. But eating unripe fruits isn't good for these birds because it has toxins in them. So by eating play, it neutralizes all of the toxins out. Amazing, right, Yogi?
Indeed, no upset tummies. Okay, Adrian and Ferrari, would you like to fly all the way down here to go check out your playlist? Whenever you're ready. Whoa, look at that! Okay, so it looks like they're done. They're going to be enjoying their salty tea, so everyone, let's give them a big hand, shall we?
Yeah, I want to see more birds. More birds is more. So let's not stop. Let's fly to Southeast Asia.
Let's go! Everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. Wow! Okay, Bonnie, did you know that Singapore will be celebrating the 59th birthday on the 9th of August?
Yes, that's right.
That's right. So to celebrate this special occasion, we will be giving out one Singapore flag. So who wants this flag? Raise up your hand! Okay, so we have lots. Will I need a volunteer slightly taller? Okay, anyone like a volunteer? Jump right up there. Would you like to volunteer? Oh no? Okay, how about the one right at the top there? Yes. Would you like to stand up, please? Yes, you at the top. Yes, in the cap. Would you like to stand up, please? Okay, all the way to the second aisle, please. Okay, meet my friend, start right up there. Okay, just to check with you, sir, you're not afraid of birds, right? Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to be passing this flag to you, but don't worry, I won't be the one going up to you because a bird will be helping me to deliver this flag, okay? Now all you have to do, stretch out your hands just like this, keep your palm facing the sky, okay? Now the bird will be flying and landing on your arm, alright? Now once the bird lands on your arm, keep your hands still, he will be putting it down just like this. All you have to do, use your fingers to hold the flag down, alright? Okay, so without further ado, let's welcome Sassy, the songbird breakfast. Welcome to you! Hello there, Sassy. Okay, are you ready to deliver this flag? Yeah! Okay, so Okay, would you like to put it down, please? There you go. That's whenever you're ready. All right, now, excuse me. There you go. Let's give it up for my boss. Yeah, thank you. Alright, so Changi, she has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to head back home. Ready to head back home? Alright, so hold it all the way back there. Off she goes. Let's give it up for Sexy, our solar raptor. Come to. Okay, Wadi. Yes, enough birds. Not. Remember 5,000? Why not? You see what I mean? Crazy. So, having said that, let us meet some special friends of the park. Everyone look left and right. Here comes our beautiful bird. Hello there. So joining here with me, I have Higgins, the green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the parrot family. Now, did you know he is about 10 years old? Okay, everyone, come right up there. We'll be welcoming CK, our morning coffee. Okay, for those of you around me, please remain seated. Alright, CK, whenever you're ready, fly down to me. Okay, CK, come on, let's go. Yeah. Almost there. Come on, 1, 2, 3, and fly. Okay, look at he loves the limelight right up there. Okay, yes, he looks like he's about to fly down. Thank you, Misha. Okay, really, come on! Yes! That's nice. Well done, CK. Okay, so by the way, I have CK here with me in Monica Cockatoo. Now, Monica Cockatoo can be found in Monica's Island and in the eastern side of Indonesia. Well, CK here is about 10 years old. That's right. Now these birds, they mate for life and they make devoted parents. So they will usually take advantage of tree canopies just like this one to build their nest. Well, they use barks, dry leaves and even twigs as nesting materials. So once they have these materials, they will then put these into the nest. But if a cavity is so small, they will use their beak to make the hole bigger. So let's have these two bites to demonstrate, shall we? Alright, so Tiggy, come on, let's start with you first. Good job. Okay, Tiggy, your turn. Perfect landing. Okay, let's put this in. Now if you're wondering what goes on inside, everyone take a look at the big screen. Hi, Tiggy. There you go. With that, everyone, let's give it up for beautiful birds as well as a wonderful winners. Thank you. Rooster. You heard the rooster in the mouth? Oh, Yogi, look! Rooster right up on the screen! No. Actually, the rooster is this one over here. It's the rooster. That is an Amazon parrot, not a rooster. So you don't believe me? Okay, stand right here and let me prove this to you, okay? Okay. Do you want to show everyone here how do you do the rooster? See the rooster loud and clear. You see now? Everyone meets Quincy and that is Amigo, masters of mimicry. Okay, before Quincy carry on, I'll need everyone's fullest cooperation. If you are taking pictures or videos, please ensure that your camera flashes are switched off, okay? Now these bright lights might be a little bit starting for this bird, so once again, if you are taking pictures or videos, please check that you have switched of your flash, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, Quincy, how would you like to welcome them? Oh, did you catch that? Quincy said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear this one more time, shall we? Are you ready? Looks like he's still munching on his little rewards, okay? Now we did give them a few rewards such as almond nut and Brazil nut, okay? You ready? Welcome them. There you go. Because Quincy imitated the sound of the rooster earlier, this time he's going to imitate the sound of a very fierce cat. Oh, realistic, right? Okay, now the high-tech sound, show them how you do the telephone. Good job! Now, as we all know, Singapore will be celebrating the National Day on the 9th of August. So Quincy here is going to sing a song. And that song goes a little bit like this. Singapura, oh Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Okay? So Quincy, you ready? Want to show them how you sing? He's not done welcoming you. Okay, let's try this one more time. We need to sing for them, okay? Ready? Me. Let's go!
The sounds and calls, they are just doing what their families do in the wild. When the mini human sounds, they are just doing what they hear around them.
That's right. In our case, Quincy and Amigo's family will be the Mandai stars.
Hello, Mandai sounds. Okay, so now let's see our yellow Amazon family to mimic some sounds, shall we? Now, would you like to say hello? Ah, what a very sweet hello. Now, he can't say his name on his own, so let's hear that, shall we? You can tell everyone what's your name. Did you catch that? Okay, one more time, okay? Now, what's your name? Amigo! So, Amigo is his name. Amigo. Look, there's so many people this afternoon. How would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
Wow, did you hear that? He's asking how are you? So how are all of you this afternoon? Good?
Good.
Awesome, good to hear that. So Amigo, he is very talented. Now he loves singing. So he'll be singing a very special song, and that is the birthday song. So by any chance, any one of you celebrating your birthday today, just raise up your hand. It's your birthday. Don't be shy.
It's a birthday!
Okay, I see a couple of friends right over here. Anyone else from outside? Okay, some from there as well. But you know what? This song is for those of you who are celebrating your birthday today, right? Amigo, are you ready to sing for them? Let's sing! For celebrating it right here in Berkeley. Well, younger. I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
Indeed. But hold on, everyone. Quincy and Amigo here, they are both 1 in a million. Now, if you were to get yourself a pet parrot, you would usually end up with a bird just like Big John. Hello, Big John.
Hi, John.
Oh. Did you hear how loud that was? It's not done. So please think twice. No. Think 100 times before getting yourself a a pet parrot. And with that, let's give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazonic parrot.
Well, everyone, each year hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold to the pet trade. Now, as a result, these two species are now critically endangered. Well, they can live up to 50 years in captivity. If you think they may be pets, but they don't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to the bird paradise instead? Correct?
That is right, Yomi. So what's next?
Oh, right now we're going to meet a bird that's commonly found in the Amazon rainforest, and that is the toucan. Hello there. Okay, would you like to join me on stage right over here? Just a little up. There you go. That one, Mrs. Axel. Now she has been with us for over 25 years. That's right. And that makes her a much-loved senior member. Now in Mandai, senior animals, they are given the utmost care. So care such as frequent medical health checks as well as a well-balanced diet. So that this will be able to ensure that they can retire happy. Now just like all retirees, they still have to stay physically and mentally stimulated. And that is why Mrs. Axel is out here to say hello to everyone. So that's why you can say hello, Mrs. Axel!
Mrs. Axel! So that is right, Yomi. Animals are really playing a very important role in the ecosystem. So everyone, let us leave to Southeast Asia where we can meet the Oriental Pine Hornbill. Now let me consider what is Oriental Pine Hornbill. Now did you know that there were 3 species of hornbills in Singapore that went extinct? And one of them is the Oriental Pine Hornbill. So it went disappeared for over 40 years. Then one day in the 1990s, someone spotted an Oriental Pine Hornbill in an island called Pulau Ubin. Okay, so we worked together with the government agency, experts to install cameras and even net boxes, and we are proud to say that. That's why right now we are able to see hundreds of them flying over the blue sky. Yeah. Okay, so by the way, these two birds, they have 2 major differences. Toucans, they are commonly mistaken as hornbills due to their large bills, and Oriental Pine Hornbill, now they can only be found in Asia and Africa, okay? So hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their beak called a cusp. Now it can be a small ridge, quite big, or even brightly colored.
Wow, that's very interesting. But, Bunny, is there anything else that we can spot?
Well, yes, of course, their feet. Now they are great hoppers. Everyone will check out all these hops. Look. One very cute hop. So toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 toes at the back. Hornbills like orange, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Now it gives them the strength and stability when they move up and down branches in the forest. Now your turn to share.
Alright, and that will be their tongue. So hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds are able to use their tongues to toss fruit back into their mouths. Check this out for orange. Wow, nice catch.
Now not only that, they are great flyers. Now they are good at catching prey in mid-flight, so buzzing will be throwing the prey high up. Let's see whether orbits will be able to catch it in mid-air. So whenever you are in your orbits, 1, 2, and 3, up and away! Wow! Wonderful catch! Well everyone, let's give always our warrior. So live on you, and Mrs. Axel, our total toucan, a round of applause. Well done and thank you guys. Everyone, hornbills, they have a very unique nesting behavior in the wild. Now they love to nest on tree cavities, just like that nest right up on that tree. So here in paradise, you don't have to leave your feet to look at the nesting behavior. Now from the smaller Oriental Pine Hornbill, everyone, keep your eyes wide up there. let's welcome our great white hornbill, Vicky. Now, great white hornbill, they are one of the largest species of hornbill that you can find in Southeast Asia. In Borneo, which happens to be one of the places where they landed from, some tribes believe that if a hornbill flies over an area or a village, it means they will be blessed with good luck. However, everyone, female hornbill like Vicky, they are fussy about their accommodation. Now it has to be spacious and have a chimney so that they can escape if they want to. Then in a while, the male will then bring her mud and she'll make some flesh fruits. Therefore, even her own droppings to make a strong seal. With that, everyone, let's welcome her mate, Sunny, in her lives my hornbill.
So right now, Sunny is gathering food to feed the female hornbill inside of that nest. So this behavior will usually go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are fully hatched. Okay, Sunny, are you ready? Okay, here's the last few fruits. Alright, in a very short while, he's gonna turn around and spread his beautiful wings and fly. Alright, now if you cannot see this lovely gesture, not to worry, take a look at the screen, everyone. So right here, we have a female great white hornbill checking out the nest cavity. Hopefully, if she likes it, she will hop right in. And in she goes. And then we have the male hornbill feeding her through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared with nearly all 62 species of hornbills in the world. With that, Sunny, it's time for you to head back home. Everyone, let's wave and say bye-bye, Sunny! Alright, Sunny, home is all the way back there. And there you go. Let's give it up for Great White Hornbill!
Sorry everyone, hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbill are now being hunted for its cubs, called the red-eyed bird. So what happens to elephants? Are happening to this beautiful bird? I am here because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to protect these critically endangered helmeted hornbill. Well, as a birder, I love seeing birds in the wild and in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone! I'm Hakim from Mandai Bird Paradise. Now my team and I, we work hard to keep our birds active, engaged and enriched. And in just a short while, we'll be introducing to you some of our beautiful birds. And if our guys and our bird are ready, everyone, let's welcome our beautiful corneas! Now that is an enrichment device called a monkey fist. It is ropes tied into knots, and inside of those knots we have hidden treats for our birds to forage. This allows for our birds to express their natural behaviors. Now these corneas can be found in South America, but they are now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 of these birds are sold through the fair trade. There are now more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. But these birds are social species and live happiest in flocks. So please do not keep them as pets, everyone. Now in the world there are over 40 different species of corneas. The cornea still on the monkey fist is a gel-laid cornea. On the enrichment device, we have hidden treats for our birds to forage. Treats like nuts and seeds. And it looks like all our corneas have gone back home. Let's give them a big hand, everyone!
Thank you very much, Hakim, for sharing some insights on enrichment for And here we are traveling through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda, and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. Now before the next player join us on stage, I will need everyone's fullest cooperation. Remain seated with your hands down. Once again, remain seated with your hands down. Okay, this is for your safety and the safety of our birds. Thank you.
We're coming to see a very special bird that can be found in ponds, lagoons, and even lakes in Africa, and even some in Arabia. Well, I am talking about the big-back pelican, Rose.
As well as their long, strong pouches to scoop fish up from the water.
She can fly for hundreds of pounds for 24 hours without stopping. Although they are large, but they are not cute. They weigh about 4 to 6 kilograms.
Now, much more lightweight beach birds also have a huge wingspan measuring up to 9 feet long. So it's about this long, 9 feet. Okay, with that, you have done a wonderful job, Rose. Time for you to head back home now. Look at that, up she goes. Let's give it up for Rose, our big-back pelican.
Before we carry on, should we push this baby sounds all the way to the back?
Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this. All the way to the back. Right here.
Perfect.
Well, everyone, birds, they are everywhere. Social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. Well, they are one of the strongest creatures that you can find on this planet. Now that is the reason why I love traveling across continents to see them. But Yogi, what I love is to see birds from all over the world, right here and right now.
Well, Bonnie, I think your wish is about to come true. Yes, follow me that way. Let's go.